name's Noah Hess. I'm in the automotive program at North Idaho College, and I'm a second year. Metallica scholarship funding allowed me to commute back and forth to school and also go visit my family in Sandpoint. So I ended up spending a lot of money on gas and basically allowed me to support myself while going to school. The scholarship has allowed me basically to spend less time working and spend more time focusing on school, getting my homework done, studying properly so I can get good grades and be ready for my career when I graduate. Once I graduate, kind of still unsure. I want to get a job at a dealership or an independent shop so I can continue to further advance my skills in this career, just become a better technician. My experience at NIC's Automotive Program has been phenomenal. First year program is really great, but the second year they really step it up a notch, and we're working on customer vehicles, so it's real world experience, and they ask a lot more out of you. And I like the challenge, so it's been really enjoyable for me. It's just awesome. My recommendation for anyone who's going into any trade program here at NIC, or specifically the automotive trade program, is come at it viewing it like it's your job, because really what the goal is to train you as an entry-level technician here in the automotive program, and you're going to be going directly into the field after this. So you should be treating your experience here like it's your career. The more you step up during your time here, then the better chances you have of getting a job. My favorite Metallica song, that's a tough one. My dad bought me the Master of Puppets album probably when I was around 12 years old. And he also got us like a boombox, and I listened to the entire album like for the entire summer on repeat. And I'm torn between Master of Puppets and I think One. Those are probably my two favorite songs. My name's Noah, and I'm a Metallica scholar.